What's up, guys? It is 3:41. We are at it again, heading up to the St. Joe. Got the boat loaded over there. We're gonna try to get some big bass, maybe some northern pike, some other fish. It's gonna be a great day. See you guys at the gas station. Alright guys, we got the boat putting in. Alright guys, what's up? We just got out here. It was a little bit chaotic at the boat ramp, so we didn't get much footage, but rolling. We just got some drone footage. We're just casting the shoreline like normal.
First fish.
Yeah, first fish in the boat. Oh, come here, stop moving. Nice little bass there.
Shakes.
Trout?
I can't tell.
Ooh. Couldn't tell what it is, actually. Maybe it's a bass.
What is it?
I don't know. It's not coming up.
Might be a catfish. No, that's a bass.
Nice bass. You want the net? Ooh, nice bass.
Really hooked. Really hooked.
Come here, come here, come here. Bring it in.
No, you missed.
No, I missed.
You missed.
Come here. There we go.
Nice.
In the net, baby. Treble hooks and nets do not go together. Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Let's get a measure.
You want a measurement? You want to measure?
It's warm.
Warm? Well, the water's like 80 degrees. You want to measure over there or this guy?
I'm gonna do it.
Mm,
18, just over 18.
nice. It's a nice one. Got the whole paparazzi over here. There we go. Nice one.
There he goes.
Nice one. That was trolling? What were you using?
Yeah, I was using this little guy. Old, old chartreuse crankbait.
There you go. Nice. Alright guys, we're trolling. 16 feet back there. I got I think a DT6 on. What do you got? Still that chartreuse?
Yeah.
We're just trolling. Trying to get a big one.
You'll hear it, you'll feel it tear up the bottom. Put your rod tip down. Oh yeah, get your thing out.
Holy moly. Man. Little rock bass are hungry, eh?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I should be fine. Oh. Take it easy there.
I do not want to get a treble hook in my finger.
Yeah, nice one. We're gonna keep trolling here for a second, and then we're gonna start casting. Huh?
Which account is this on?
This is Fishing with Luke.
Fishing with Luke. Fishing with Luke. FWL.
Guys, you gotta comment your favorite bait caster.
Luke is anti-bait caster. He thinks that bait casters are no better than a spinning rod.
Well, they are. There's nothing.
But I'm saying he probably just hasn't been able to throw a nice bait caster.
There's nothing good about them, honestly.
Did you break on?
Yeah. Nothing good about them. It's been a little bit slow here. You gotta say.
Well, let's go hit this. Let's get like re-rigged up here before the sun peeks out right over there straight ahead.
Okay.
We'll go fish that line out to the lake.
Get in here. No.
Nice.
Nice one. Swim right back. Let's go. Thought it was stuck, honestly.
Yeah, I did too. And then I saw it moving.
Dude.
Actually, that's kind of a fat rock bass.
PB? PB?
No, definitely not.
Oh yeah, clearly. What the heck? Alright, yeah, that's a nice one. Look at that boy. Yeah, there you go. Toss him back. That's a nice rock bass, actually. Uh-oh, I'm probably gonna be stuck. Alright, where's my Berkeley at? There we go, man. Let's go, let's get it. No way.
Did you get caught?
I got stuck the second it
Hit the ground.
water. New fish unlocked. We got the leaf fish. Yeah, what a cat.
Those swans are annoying. Can you hear them?
Yeah.
They're like cackling.
Almost as annoying as geese.
I would be.
What? I see it. Also see a big fish coming. Fish just came off, guys.
I got that spinner bait tied on. That might be
Good over here?
well. It might be better than you continually getting stuck.
It came off. What is it tied on?
Are we going to do a fish count and a Luke snag count?
We'll do a snag count as well, guys.
I'm just going to vertical dig. You can do whatever. I'm going to vertical dig. Okay, hand me that.
It's a heavy
snack.
rod.
Can you hand me that snap?
Which one?
No, you know what? Give me my. What time is it? Give me my phone.
It's 10.
10:45.
10:45 our time?
No, it's 9:45 our time, buddy. Huh? Here you go.
Already ate lunch. Thank you.
Egg salad, sorry.
Egg salad sandwich.
That sounds kind of good,
Gas
actually.
station egg salad sandwich.
Honestly, I'll give it to. They have pretty good food.
They do.
Family Express.
Family Express, please sponsor us.
Family Express. We have
Your Valpo
rewards.
brand.
We have rewards with you.
I donate a lot of money. Well, I spend a lot of money with you. I am a FE Perks member. This snack time brought to you by Family Express. Are you craving more food? Come to Craven's Market. What do you? But you know what? You work on your packaging. Okay.
What do you got? Egg salad, right?
Oh, got one.
No way. Yeah.
With an egg salad sandwich in my mouth.
Egg salad fish. I don't think it counts, man. Forgot we have those seeds. Where's my sandwich? Guys, we have the Italian sub right here. Italian sub, we're gonna give it a little try. Sandwich is great.
I love how fish pick up when you're vertical jigging. It's just that boom. Oh, is there already mustard on it?
Banana peppers.
Oh, nice. Those are good.
Great.
Are you doing the same thing I'm doing? Yeah.
Just while I'm eating. But see my bait or your bait?
Yeah. Wait, on the thing?
My bait.
It's probably yours.
Yeah, it is. That's so cool.
I don't even know if I'm on the bottom. I feel like I should be. The fish are taunting us.
Yeah. 12 feet.
Oh, nope.
That's
Up,
it.
lift up, lift up. I am bringing it up with me. I have caught. Hey, ooh, let go.
Huh.
No. I'm not gonna say. I don't know what this
Oh my gosh, we just hooked up on something huge.
I do not know what this is.
No cap, guys. Our drag is very tight.
I think I might have foul hooked something. It's shaking weird.
Shaking weird? Dude, this could be big. You want me to get the net?
Yeah, get the net. It's definitely staying down. It almost feels like a catfish head shake.
Dude, a catfish?
But I
don't want a catfish.
said I had a catfish last time and it was a bass.
100%. Dude, this could be a nice one, man.
It's a catfish.
It is a catfish. What? Get in there.
Nice.
Second species?
You hear him burping?
Yeah, there's a nice one, man. You definitely follow hooked him. Well, it was in his mouth.
No, I got him.
He wanted that. He wanted that. Nice one.
hear him.
Yeah.
You hear him.
That's a nice one.
What are you saying, buddy? Kitty cat.
All right.
Meow.
Yeah, toss them back. That's a nice one.
Caught him on the bait of the day. A chartreuse craw. Crankbait.
Yeah.
I don't know what year this was made, but it's an old one.
Yeah, chartreuse. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got to get some more of these fish.
2 miles an hour.
All right, guys. We're about to start. We're about to start doing some trolling. Did you get these disconnected?
What?
Yeah, we're good. Never mind. You want to grab that camera over there? Ready? Perfect. 28%. Oh. There we go, boys. Gonna sit here and troll. Those ones are good, right?
Very good.
We got 13 feet. It's a nice day out here.
Whoa. Whoa. I got a fish.
We just hooked up on a fish, guys. Let's go, reel it in, boy.
See that? As soon as I,
Little guy?
yeah, I think so. But as soon as I sped up the motor because I was trying to turn, might be a walleye.
Really?
What do we got? We got a walleye.
That's a nice little boy,
We
actually.
got. What do we catch? We got
Catfish?
smallmouth. We got largemouth.
Yep.
We got catfish,
Walleye?
rock bass, walleye. I can't count. How many is that?
5? 6? I didn't count either. Yeah,
Three bass.
Yeah,
Three
it's
bass,
5.
a
It's 5.
catfish, and a walleye.
Right on, boy. If we wanted to, that's probably eating size.
An eater size for sure.
Yeah, it would be an eater size.
Oh yeah, perfect. 16 inches.
16, boys.
Nice.
There you go. Toss them back. Oh, Lord.
Well, in the water you go, buddy.
There you go. Nice. There you go.
Oh.
Nice.
5 species. So cast right over there. Yeah. That's perfect. Let some line out. Can't believe I caught a walleye.
Yeah, it's nice, actually. Could have had dinner, man.
Watch me go in and catch like 5 more walleye. And then I'm like, I should have kept it.
So, I feel like we've caught walleye here other
Oh,
times.
no, there's walleye here.
No, I know that there's walleye
It's
here.
just that we don't oftentimes troll like this.
We don't be cast. Normally that's all we do.
Got one?
I either have one or I have one. I felt that bouquet. Nah, I missed my bait. Nope. Okay. Right now.
Oh, look at all that stuff on the bottom.
What is that? Rocks?
No
Oh my
idea.
god.
Yeah.
That thing's going under. Look at that, guys. Old little boathouse. Little fish gut. Playing. Oh, come on. Get back up there.
We are 17 foot from the bank and we're in 16 foot of water. We're just gonna cross. We're gonna fish that shoreline in the shade while we still got it for the next probably 5 minutes. You get so much fishing in. You know, when you wake up late.
You woke up late, buddy.
I woke up at 3:30.
15 minutes late, buddy.
That's very shallow there.
That's where the fish are at. Probably not. Is anything further down any good?
Yeah. Oh, is my phone? Oh, did you? I covered it up.
iPhone cookie? Yeah.
It was kind of cool. We just sit here. I wish we were catching a fish.
All right, guys, we're about to motor over to the
crappie spot.
The crappie spot. It's just over there. We just tried to jig and do some trolling here.
But is it in?
All right, sorry guys. We're heading over to the crappie spot. We're gonna try to catch maybe some crappie.
6 species of the day.
Yeah, 6 species of the day. We've been doing pretty good. That point over there?
Yeah. Why are we so high? Put the motor down. Sorry. There you go. Amateur.
Keep going around the corner.
Keep going. Actually, yeah, stop here. I think it might be that one right over there. Not the target species.
Hey, it's still a
He
fish.
inhaled it. Jeez.
Yeah, it is down his throat. Smalley. Smalley in the boat.
Okay, yo.
We're jigging. I think this is Liam's guy right here, Ty Myers.
Oh. I thought there was a crawfish in his mouth. There's not.
There you go.
He's got a little blood. He got a little scar on the back of him.
There you go. There we go, guys. Another fish in the boat.
Oh, shoot. Oh no, that's a movie. Copy should be the best. Yeah. Oh, snag trick. Maybe there's something up by the snag tree. Yeah, we need to do a snag count. We're double snagged.
Oh, double snag?
Yeah, pull straight on it. It'll bend the hook.
Tighten the drag.
No, hold the drag. Hold the spool. No, don't do that. Hold the spool.
Power up. Oh, I see this log.
It's dangerous.
Uh-oh.
It's dangerous. Pulling the whole freaking tree out of the water.
Jeez. Did it break?
Did it?
Down.
The braid finally broke.
Long time now. Okay. So not get it or out. Oh. Take it easy. Woo! Woo! I'm at the bar getting 15.
That was a joke.
Right here, like keep me in the shade. This is perfect. Easy there. Alright, fishy, fishy. Wow. Throwing away all the fish. Rock bass in the boat. Another one. Dude, how are you catching up on these?
I didn't pay attention to it once again.
That's what happens every time.
I was messing with them all. Come on, buddy.
There we go. Nice one. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you liked it, subscribe, like the video, comment, we'll take it all, and we'll see you guys next time.